Renaming your images on Squarespace used to be such a pain. First of all, you couldn't do it. You'd have to rename it in the file before you uploaded it. Crazy, I know. Then you could, but you'd have to click on the image itself and go and rename it in there. And you can do that. But the most effective way is doing it in something called the asset library. And if you're not familiar with the asset library, I've got a full video on that somewhere on the channel. I'm I'm too lazy to go and link it in the description, but if you just put it in the channel, you'll find it. However, this is not what this video is about. This is about using the asset library to rename images across the site. So I'm going to take you onto the site now and show you how to do that. On the site here, all you need to do on the website is go into assets, and you'll have all of your images in the asset library here. Now you want to find the image that you want to rename. You can see these have got crazy names here. So you click on the three dots and rename. Really easy. And we can say, we'll call this leaf shadows. And then what color is that? I mean, it looks brownish, maybe brown cream. I'm going to call it cream. There we go. And you can see that it's changed its name there. Again, if you want to do it on this, you can do it like so. Call this one Lash Lines. Very, very creative of me. Easy as that. Now, this is great for doing lots and lots of different images all at once, as opposed to trying to sift through all of the pages on your website. Double click on the image and change the name in there. So this is just, again, a game changer. It shouldn't even be a game changer. Like, this should have already been a feature, but now it is. So thank you, Squarespace. We are on the right track. Hopefully you found that useful. It's very short, but if you did, please make sure to leave a like and hit subscribe. And if you want me to build your Squarespace website, you can get in touch using the links in the description.